Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can lock tabs in your Google Sheets spreadsheets really quickly to protect them from external access. For example, if you don't want your coworkers to edit your documents. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to Google Sheets, access the spreadsheet you would like to lock. And here at the bottom, you will see a list of all open tabs. As you can see, I have already locked that sheet 1 here. So you may do the same, guys, for any other tab. So let me go with sheet number 2, select it, click on that arrow down icon next to it and select protect sheet here. After that, you will see that panel popping up here to the right. So here under protected sheets and ranges, you may switch to sheet here and set a permission by clicking on that button here. And last but not least, decide whether you would like to show a warning when someone is editing this page, or if you'd like to restrict access and the editing permission for this range only. For example, if you would like to keep access and permission to edit it for yourself, so leave it at only you. And after that, click on down here to apply these changes. And after that, the given tab will be locked, as you can see, guys. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.